So coming in from the front, we're going to come down and take this cover off. So there's a couple of 25 Torexes run around here on this cover, and same on this side. Then there's 3 45 Torexes in the center there, and then there's 2 of these little push clips that fit in the back here, so you just sort of pull them apart to get that down. And then there's a little hook here, and it kind of just shimmies backwards, so it comes off and just pulls down. So up here, this is the oil drain and the oil filter. So the oil filter, you might need a strap. I've already pre-loosened this so to make it look quicker for the video. I'm going to replace it with a genuine Volkswagen filter. This car is still under warranty. And then literally the 19, just ratchet it off again. So you're gonna get oil everywhere. Yeah, that's the not too much oil on my hands. No happy days. When you're putting the new filter on, just make sure this gasket area is clean. Sometimes you'll see on older cars that this center section comes loose. You might have to screw that back in, but not on this particular vehicle. Just make sure the rubber gasket off the old filter, so the black part is not stuck to that, so you're not double gasketing it. And then torque this back to spec. I think it's like 30 Newton meters, but I'm going to double check that. So the torque setting is 30 Newton meters for the sump plug, and there is actually a torque setting for the oil filter as well, which is 20. You need a special little cap cover, which I do have. That's it. Torque, 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 torque. And then you can get a little cap that covers onto this. To be honest, I just do a hand tie. That's probably good enough. Like, it's only 20 Newton meters, so probably is only hand tight. It's probably even tighter than that. So you're going to top the oil up with the Volkswagen spec oil, and you're going to make sure it's full on the dipstick. So double check on the dipstick here. So just here is full. And you're going to top it up to the full mark. You can kind of see the hatch marks on it. The camera's not great. There you go. So just here is full. This is empty. This is full. Then you're going to run the vehicle for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Let the oil filter fill up. And switch it off. Let it sit for a second. Check the oil again. Top up accordingly. Might take another half a litre. Takes about 4 or 5 litres altogether. And that's it, job done.